In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Squarespace and look for the official Squarespace result. Click through to the home page so we can get into the tools we need. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner and click the profile icon. If you're not signed in yet, log into your account. If you're brand new, you can create an account first. Signing in ensures you can access your sites and the editor. After signing in, go to your account dashboard. This is your control center, where all your sites and settings live. From here, select the website area to open the site you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're choosing the correct one before moving forward. Inside your selected site, open the editor and choose to edit your pages. This is where you manage the content and layout of your site's pages. In the editor interface, look for the search icon, usually found near the top of the panel. Click it to quickly navigate to the settings we need without scrolling through every option. In the search field, type the word image. This filters the design and settings panels to everything related to images. From the results, open image blocks. Image blocks control how images behave and appear across your site, which is essential for creating dynamic visual effects. Within image blocks, go to the miscellaneous section. This area often contains advanced or accessory options that aren't immediately obvious but can add polish to your design. Next, head into animations. Animations define how elements move into view as visitors scroll or interact with your page. Inside animations, choose the slide option to create horizontal scrolling images. This effect makes your images glide horizontally, adding motion and visual interest to galleries, product shots, or feature sections. As you select slide, watch the live preview in the editor to ensure the motion feels natural for your layout. If your images are different sizes, consider using consistent dimensions so the slide feels smooth and intentional. Also, keep accessibility in mind. Pair animated images with clear captions or alt text so your content remains understandable to everyone. That's it. You searched for Squarespace via Google, signed in through the profile icon, navigated the account dashboard to your website, entered the page editor, used the search to find image blocks, moved through miscellaneous, opened animations, and selected slide to achieve horizontal scrolling images. Take a moment to review how it looks across a few pages and you'll be set. Thanks for watching and enjoy the upgraded motion on your site.